Hello friends, let me ask you a question. Is there any difference between the windows we see in a building of 4 floors and a building of 60 floors? The answer is yes, and it's mainly because of the wind pressure. Generally, normal windows are used in a low-rise building, whereas in a high-rise building, design windows are used. However, beyond this primary difference, there are other several factors to consider. Let us discuss all those factors in this video by comparing normal window with a design window. So let us start. Wind load considerations. Normal windows are designed to meet standard wind load requirements set by building codes, ensuring they withstand expected wind pressures based on location and design factors. On the other hand, design windows may require custom engineering to handle strong winds, especially if they are not standard sizes or shapes. Special attention may be given to the window frame's structural integrity and anchoring methods to ensure it can withstand higher wind pressures. Variety of sections available. Normal windows are typically available in a wide variety of standard sections or profiles offered by window manufacturers. These sections are designed to meet common building requirements and design preferences. Whereas design windows may offer a broader range of section options, including custom profiles or specialty sections tailored to specific architectural designs. Manufacturers may offer more flexibility in section designs to accommodate unique design requirements or aesthetic preferences. Functionality and purpose. Normal windows are chosen for their basic functions like light, air, and views without much focus on custom design. On the other hand, design windows are selected not only for their functional purposes but also for their contribution to the overall aesthetic and architectural design of the building. They may have unique shapes, sizes, or features chosen to enhance the building's visual appeal. Impact resistant glass. In normal window, generally toughened glass is used, whereas in design window, generally a laminated glass is used which is impact resistant. Reinforced frames. In normal window, there is no any requirement of materials in the frames, whereas in design window, the window frames would be reinforced with materials such as steel or aluminium to provide additional strength and rigidity. Size and shape. Normal windows typically come in common shapes and sizes like rectangles or squares determined by industry standards and building codes. Whereas design windows offer greater flexibility in size and shape. They can include large picture windows, custom shaped windows, or architectural elements like arched or circular windows depending on the architectural design requirements. Material and construction. Normal windows are typically constructed from standard materials such as wood, vinyl, aluminium, or fiberglass. These materials are chosen for their practicality, durability, and cost effectiveness. On the other hand, design windows may utilize more specialized materials or construction techniques to achieve specific design goals. This could include custom-made frames, decorative elements, or high-end materials like architectural metals or specialty glass. Energy efficiency and performance. Normal windows focus on meeting basic energy efficiency standards, whereas design windows can be customized to meet higher energy efficiency standards while enhancing the visual appeal of a building. Therefore, design windows often offer superior energy efficiency and performance compared to normal windows. Cost. Normal windows are typically more cost effective than design windows due to their standardized sizes, materials, and manufacturing processes. A rate of normal window in a metro city is approximately 5,000 rupees per square meter depending on series and width of section. On the other hand, design windows often involve higher cost due to customization, specialized materials, and unique features. The cost of design windows can vary significantly depending on factors such as size, complexity, and chosen materials. A rate of design window in a metro city can vary from 8,000 rupees per square meter to 20,000 rupees per square meter depending on width and aesthetics of window. Testing and certification. Normal windows follow established testing and certification procedures for basic performance requirements such as basic safety, durability, and performance standards such as resistance to wind load, water penetration, and air infiltration. Common certifications for normal windows might include certifications from organizations like BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standards, or international standards like ISO, International Organization for Standardization. Whereas design windows may require more tailored testing and certification processes to account for factors such as structural integrity, energy efficiency, acoustic performance, thermal performance, and aesthetic considerations. In summary, while both normal windows and design windows serve the basic function of providing light and ventilation to a building, design windows are specifically selected and customized to meet wind load requirements, enhance the building's aesthetics, and architectural design. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.